Hello there, this is from Karvil machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer. And now the mixer has been finished, and before delivery, I would like to make a simple test for the basic function of this mixer, mainly the mixing function. And now the cabinet has been connected with electricity power. First, I make the emergency stop button release, and now power on. We can check the mixing situation via the window during the work. First, we test the mixing forward direction, and then mixing reverse direction. Okay, first mixing forward, speed control, low speed. Let's check. Now the double sigma blades are rotating in the forward direction, and we make it more speed. Check. Speed more. Okay, no problem. And this is stop. Now it is stop. We use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer, so low noise, strong power. And then the reverse direction, okay? Also speed control. Let's check. Now the double sigma blades are rotating in the reverse direction. Okay, and more speed. More speed. Okay, and also we equipped a safety protection device. It is a sensor on the back side of the lid. Once the lid open during the work, for safety consideration, mixer will stop. Let's test. Lid open, and it stop. So no problem for the mixing function and the safety protection system, no problem. So this is a basic test for the mixing function of the 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer. If you have any interesting for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks.